squinting at the sun, waiting for the gulls to tell them when the fish will come.